Happy Monday, guys. This is Dr. Michael Tancini here at Ground Over at PT. I hope you had an awesome weekend. Hopefully you got to get out, use your body, do something fun, right? Hopefully you starting to make strides towards your goals. Hopefully you laid out a plan so that you can be successful for the week. Hopefully, if you've got a crazy busy schedule, hopefully you did some meal prep. Figured out which days that which you're probably going to be able to work out, to use your body, and make progress in life, guys. Remember, take care of you first, right? By taking care of you first, you then give yourself the opportunity to best care for others, right? It's like whenever we're on an airplane and the oxygen mask comes down, they always say, put on your mask first before you help someone else with theirs. And guys, think of life as the same way. You've got to make sure you're making yourself the best version of yourself possible. And by doing that, you've opened up the opportunity to help others so much more and have such a larger impact on those other lives around you. Okay, guys. So today, people might not get all that they work for in their mind, but they most certainly work for all they get. Without struggle, there can be no progress. Frederick Douglass. Okay, guys? And that's true, right? Sometimes you work and you work and you work and you work, and sometimes things just don't happen, right? I wanted to be a professional baseball player when I was younger, right? It didn't happen. And quite frankly, guys, it's never going to happen. But that's okay, right? That's okay. But guys, everything that you have now is something that you've worked for and earned throughout the years. Okay? Even if you didn't mean to earn, right? So me personally, like I worked when I was younger to try and earn a scholarship in college, which I did. But then I didn't make it to the bigs and I didn't make it to the major leagues. And that's not saying that all that time and all that effort that I put in was wasteful, right? Because without all those lessons and all those struggles and all that work that I put in to play the game the best that I could, taught me lots of valuable things, which I can now take and apply to my life now, apply to my life and my family, to my business, and my profession, right? And in my current training, right? So guys, if I were to look back when I was 17 and picture where I'm at now, like I would have never thought that, right? I didn't know I was going to be doing what I'm doing now. Okay. And guys, life-wise, everything that you guys have earned or everything that you guys are now, you guys have earned over time for good or for bad, right? Every, thing that you currently want to change about yourself, guys, you've earned it throughout the years. Everything that you currently have and you're happy for, guys, you've earned it throughout the years. Maybe not directly, but maybe indirectly through applying yourself fully to these other things and trying just to live your life with a certain set of principles, which teaches you how to overcome things, teaches you how to get stronger, teaches you guys how to face tough situations that you're in. Right? So guys, take where you want to go. Okay. So where's that place that you want to be at in 12 months, 2 years? Start taking action now. Right? Because even if you don't end up there, right? You could end up past it. You could end up way, way better than you thought you could ever be. Or maybe you don't get there in the first place, but you're in a better place, and a place that you've earned for the better. Okay. Versus just throwing in the towel and saying, oh, I'm always going to be overweight, or I'm not going to be fit ever. And you keep on doing the same actions, which have earned your current state of not being fit and possibly having poor health. Okay. Guys, take action now. Okay. That action is paying the man to be the person that you want to be later on down the road, whether that's with your family, whether that's being with your health, whether that's being with your performance, whether that's being for your mindset, occupation, business, all those things, guys. So the key is, don't worry about if it'll happen or not, right? Guys, if it's possible, it can happen, but it won't happen unless you take work. And if you don't earn the thing that you really want to earn, then guys, you're going to end up with something way far greater and way more beautiful than you ever thought would be there. All right. God, I'm so happy personally that I wound up being able to sit here in front of this camera right now and talk to you guys. Right. I went through struggles along the way. I'm still going through struggles. Everyone's going through struggles. Right. But it's approaching those obstacles and being able to approach that problem head on, which then helps form you into the person that you want to be, and form you and grant you the opportunities which you never thought were possible. So guys, I hope that made sense. All right. But, it's Monday. You're going to hit obstacles, especially at work, especially in life, time with family and training. Guys, get to work, take action on what you can do, and make now the best day ever. Okay? So, today, we're going to work on the quads and the hamstrings a little bit. Okay? So, the first thing you need is a ball. You're going to put it right underneath the hamstring. You're going to put some pressure down through it. And you're going to floss that leg out. And you're going to floss that leg out. Okay. Find a sensitive spot, putting pressure down, floss it out. Nice and slow. All right, guys, I want you guys working through each hamstring. The ones on the right, the one on the left. Okay. For 2 minutes each. Okay. Just get those hamstrings loosened up. Applying pressure down through that ball. Okay. Next is I want you guys to get the voodoo floss bend. All right. You're going to start just below the knee. You're going to wrap this baby tight. All right. So if this is 100%, you want about 50%. You're going to wrap it through. You're going to wrap all the way over top the knee. Okay. And there's a few things we can do here. We can, one, hold the knee up, flex, and extend the knee. Okay. We can then go pop down in a squat. Okay. Just taking the knee through the full knee flexion, get it under load. Okay. You can do some squats. Right. All right. Just move this baby back and forth, move it around for about a minute. If you've got 2 voodoo floss bands, put one on both knees, knock out 2 birds with the same stone. All right. Then you're going to take it off. All right. And that knee's going to be feeling a lot better, a lot looser. Okay. Ready to jump on into your snatches and back squats you guys might have later on today. Okay. So guys, that is number 2. Okay. The third thing today is a reverse Nordic hamstring burn. Okay. You're going to feel like you're working. Okay. But we're going to work on the quads. Okay. You're also going to feel a pretty good stretch through the front of that ankle. Okay. So you're going to come on down. You're going to put your feet right under you. All right. Just like here, you're going to cross your arms. You're going to lean all the way back. And then up. All right. Notice doing the abs tight, guys. Okay. You're going to take yourself back as far as you can go. And then pull yourself back up. Nice and slow. Come back. Okay. If that's too hard for you guys, you're going to need to bend. So do the same thing. Okay. You're going to use that band. So do the same thing. Okay. Ultimately, what you're doing there, you're working pretty hard. Number 1. But 2, we're essentially getting those quads to work. Okay. By doing that, we get range of motion. We get improved range of motion through those quads. It's going to make it way easier on your knees. Okay. Your knees are going to move better. They're not going to be as crunchy. Okay. And you're going to feel much more comfortable in that deep squat. Okay. Much more comfortable, as you try and move around throughout the day. You're going to be able to unwork some of the tightness submitted desk gives you through that lower half. Okay, guys. So guys, there's 3 for your Monday. Hope they made you feel awesome, because I know they did. Remember, 10 to 15 minutes a day is all that you need. Do it consistently over time. Okay, guys. And you're going to be feeling better. I promise you. Do 10, 15 minutes. Shoot for 10 days straight. 10 days straight, and guys, you will feel a world of better. A world of difference. Okay? And guys, do that for 1 year straight. You're going to be a brand new person. All right? You're going to feel so much better. You're going to feel better. You're going to be happier. You're not going to have the injuries as much. All right? Simply because you're taking time to take care of your body. So, guys, thank you so much for watching on this Monday. Start your week off right. I'll be back at you on Tuesday, and we'll keep it going. See you guys.